Hi, I'm Ashley from the Loopy Lamb, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today, I'm going to unbox my March 2020 Knit Crate with you today. If you haven't tried Knit Crate before, it is a monthly subscription box in which yarn is delivered directly to your door. And inside the crate each month, there is a added extra little surprise, as well as a pattern book that includes patterns that are made exclusively for your yarn. So let's get unboxing. All right, let's open this up and see what we've got here. That's some pretty paper. Ooh, this is a really pretty green color, and it's so soft. Just want to keep squishing it. Let's take a look at the label. All right, I don't know if you can see it here, but it says it's La Bribus Light Alpaca in the colorway Ancient Pines. It's 100% baby alpaca. It's a fingering weight, and it's got 400 yards or 365 meters and a 100 gram skein. The suggested hook size is 2 to 3.25 millimeters, or for needle size, it's a 0 to 3. It's hand wash and lay flat to dry. Just really want to keep squishing this yarn. It is so soft. Like the color is just really, really pretty as well. All right, let's see what else we've got here. Sorry guys, can't help but to keep touching them. All right, and then we've also got these, and they look like needle protectors. Let's take them out of the bag here. And we've got two different sizes, one a larger size here in pink and a smaller size here in the blue. All right, we've got another little extra in here this month, it looks like. And it looks like we've got a variety of colored stitch markers. Let's take those out of the bag just to make sure they're all the same size. Okay, and yep, it looks like there's about 10 of them here, different colors, and they're all the same size, but I can never have enough locking stitch markers. And this is the pattern book. I really like the new colors that they're using on the cover. Right, and there's the first inside page. And here they're talking about Hannah Thiessen. Oh, and here's what came in each of the crates. For this month, I got the Chill Out crate, and I got the Ancient Pines. For All Natural for the chestnut color, and for the Energize Me colorway, it was the Dogwood Berry. And these are the sock weight yarns here on my right hand side. And there's the Stony Outcrop, the Hidden Pool, and the Blood Moon. And here are the patterns for this month. The knitting pattern for this month is up here in the left hand. It's the I can't say that, hat and cowl. And then the crochet pattern here is the seashell caplet. And then we can also see the two different sock patterns here as well. All right, and let me just, no, I think that's pretty much it. Didn't miss anything in the book. And here on the back, we've got the colors or the inspiration for April 2020's box. I really like these jewel tones that I'm seeing for next month's crate. That's it. That's it for me today. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. If you're looking to try Knit Crate for the very first time, I do have a discount code available for you. There is a discount code in the description box below in which you can save 20% off your first Knit Crate. So the link to the Knit Crate site is also included below. Thanks again for watching. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.